It is day 59, July 30th. So we're going to be starting in Draper, Virginia, and going to Troutville, Virginia. Last night we stayed at a winery or a vineyard where this couple was had a little small operation where they had a little vineyard and made wine, which is pretty cool. Just stayed with them via warm showers, and they were super nice couple. And we're now back on it. 86 miles to go today. Pretty typical elevation gain at this point. We're relatively used to the constant ups and downs. And we're going to be staying in a city park in Troutville tonight. We got these air horns here on our bikes. Each one of us do. And those are for the dogs, because when the dogs come after you, it is not fun. And there's quite a few of them in Kentucky and Western Virginia. So they've been super helpful. Dog comes running out of someone's house barking like crazy, and you just blow that thing, and usually they go running back home. But twice now, we've done that, and the dogs have not been deterred. And I've had a dog grab onto the back of my pannier twice, which is a little scary. But I have some pepper spray that I've attempted to use, but so far has not been successful in getting a dog. But thankfully I didn't get bit. It was just my pannier has a little hole in it from the teeth mark. But it was a little bit scary.